Shivani Kumar again in front of you, your head of department sports, Cambridge Inter-School Dasua. As I told you so many times regarding health, because health is wealth. Due to lockdown, we all are in houses. We can't perform so many activity. I mean outdoor activities, either gym and all. So today my topic is limbing down or cooling down. So first, I would say what is cooling down? Because cooling down is a position when our body is fully tired, our muscles are fully tired, they require relaxation. So for that, what we have to do? Either they are laborer, either they are sportsman, either they are common man. Everybody are having a muscles, and every muscle is working regularly and overloaded. Automatically, they feel tired. Then error occur. So for that, for recovery, what we have to do, how we have to do, today I will tell you, limbering down or cooling down the muscles, I mean whole part of the body. So I have partner today. If you want to do the same, you have to do proper sanitization first of all. Proper wash your hands and all. Then you can touch, I mean combat. So today my topic is, as I told you so many times, limbering down or cooling down. So please, my partner in front of you, Mr. Harsh, he will lay down. Harsh, लेट जाइए. Listen first of all and follow me and follow it properly. First of all, take this leg up. Hold. You relax. Hold it and palm is here. This way. Press it. Pressure है आते आ रहे हैं. This way. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Then leave it from here. Here. Leave it. Then second leg up. Hold it from ankle. I mean support it with your left hand and same this way. Then change. As I told you, you can do this repetition 4 or 5 times. How much you can. Then next is this way. Leave it. Are you getting me? Next is this way. Leave it. Now both legs up and fold it this way, this way. Now one leg here, one leg here, this way. Change here, here, this way. Now alternate. This way. Again alternate. This way. Now उल्टे हो जाओ. One leg up again and this way. Leave it. Listen, one repetition you have to do 4 or 5 times. Next is this way. Now both legs up and this way. Next is twist your legs, then this way, this way. Now come to next point. Here hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. How much you can and how much he observe. This way. Now alternate. Take his one leg and alternate arm. Hold it here, this way. Hold it. I told you every exercise 5 to 10 seconds. Next is alternate again. Hold it and leave it. Then come for shoulder. This way. Now come to swing this way for all body parts. So guys, it was liberating down and we can say cooling down. This is much needed and much required after any kind of hard work. And take your partner according to your height. You can take your mother, take your father, take your brother. So take your partner whose height is according to you, weight is almost according to you. So follow it. Health is wealth. Be healthy. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.